So we have make this enable for replication. So let us go to the to the backup and data replication, and let us create next task. So replication task, let's say to JBot. Okay. We are interested in the data, that's our source. Then I will select the second snapshot. So let us have every replication task a private snapshot, because it can happen that both of them are started at the same time. And in this happened that they start at the same time from the same snapshot, then one of them will have to wait until another one is stopped. So our destination IP in this case, it's my local IP. So my local IP is 0220. Okay, let us one is found. Okay, that's exactly the one we just make enable for replication. And as we remember, we entered the username, so admin, password as well. Okay, same story. Don't delete deleted files. Okay, apply. Oh, that's the. This cannot work this way, so maybe I just put. Okay, that will be showing exactly what I want. And that's the task. And here also we will set that this task will be replicated in interval every 10 minutes. Okay, apply, that it will show us interval every 10 minutes. Good. In such case, if it happened that on the source we will delete some data, then on our destination we will have it available. Let us go to the NAS shares, and I will make this share available for me. So replication data JBot, I need to find myself on the list. Okay, and apply myself that I'm authorized to search this share. Okay, good. Then as we have the demo data, then let us start this task first manually. Later on, when we will show the next one, then we will see that the tasks are starting already from the schedule, because it is every 10 minutes. Maybe it happens already. Let me see tasks. No, it didn't, so we will probably need to wait. But in order to make it faster, I just start the second task also manually. So this task will move our source data to the JBot drive. Okay, in the status and task we can observe the progress. So we see the task is already really started, and after next few seconds the task will finish and show us the statistic. Okay. Now, in order to prove that it works well, we can delete some data on our source, and then we can easily recover this data from one of our destination volume. Okay, let us get him to finish. But okay, so this is finished now, and in the Explorer we don't need the D down. Okay, so we have our source data. Let us open the window with the destination. Okay. That will be 220, and let me find the name. Okay, that's the replication data JBot. Okay. That's already coming. Good. So we can close this window. Okay. Good. That's our source. Let's say we delete these 3 directories. Okay, and now we have problem. If we have no backup or just the data were created today morning, then we are in the trouble. Because now we have replicated our data even to 2 destinations, because one is on a second data storage server, and now it is also on the JBot. So we are in a happy position, because we can copy the data back. So, but before I copy the data back, let me start this task one more time, data replication, okay, to the JBot. Okay, so I start the task one more time. Let us observe the status, okay, of the task. Okay, so now we can see that the snapshot is started, the task is started, and it stopped because it was not moving the data this time. The file transferred is 0. Okay, and you see, after running this task on our destination, we have also the files which were deleted. In the normal case, the replication will just mirror the files. It means when on the source you have 100 files, then on the destination you have 100 files as well. When later you have only 50 files, then on the destination will be 50 files. So this option will be, in such case, very useful. So let us copy, and let us copy the data back. So in such case, we are really on a very good position, and all this mission critical data where the people very often access, then it happens from time to time that people really delete the data, and administrator has no chance to recover this, because let's say data were created today morning and the backup was done over the night. That's the problem. Of course, if the data were created just 1 minute ago, then we have problem. But this is not so often situation that that it happens. Statistically, when we do it every 10 minutes, we are in very good position. So next question will be, what happens if the data are just modified? In such case, of course, when the data is modified, then will be replicated. Then we have option with snapshots, and the snapshots can help you here to avoid the modifications. Okay, but before we start it, I just wanted to show you this, what we are going to do it today. We are going to show how to replicate the data to the external iSCSI. So we have already connected with this iSCSI initiator. We have connected to the external iSCSI target, and we have already this as a volume group. The name was done at replication 02. Okay, so that's here exactly. Okay, and then we have even the logical volume over there. Let us see what is on this logical volume. On this logical volume 02. Okay, in NAS resources shares. Okay, logical volume 02. Let me see. Okay, let me delete this volume. It will take some time. to remove the volume, because when I'm removing NAS volume, then it will need to stop the services for the while and then remove the volume. You see, even I have a problem because these volumes are just stop connecting. Okay. But they will reconnect in a few seconds later on. Okay, during deleting the volume and recreating the volume, let me check the Explorer to connect to my source one more time. Okay, that's our source. And let me see. Okay, then I will create here maybe 150. Well, actually, we can create a logical volume on all available space here, because this will be fully used for the data replication. Okay, we have the new logical volume, and then same thing, we just create the share for the replication that will be okay, let me refresh it. Okay, that will be replication data and on iSCSI. Okay, apply, and replication data at iSCSI. Same thing, we need to enable for replication, but let us show how it works when we forget about it. Then, okay, when I go to replication, then I want to create a new task. Okay, replication task on iSCSI, and I select the source, and I need to actually new snapshot. We can demonstrate the error, the problem, if we select the same snapshot. But also I can stop the schedule from the first one and then continue demonstration with this one, or I have option to create new snapshot. But for our demonstration, then I decide now that we will just stop the task. Okay, destination shares, I select, and I have only one found, and which is the JBot, so the new one is not found. Okay, so as long as it is not found, then we need to go to edit the share and select for replication. Same thing, I will put admin, because I do not put, sometimes I can forget and be surprised why it doesn't work.